Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Windows Security so you can scan now. Press the Windows key, type Windows Security, and hit Enter. Once the app opens, you should check for updates under Virus and Threat Protection. Make sure definitions are current so the scan detects the latest threats. While the update runs, close heavy programs to free resources. This helps accuracy and speed. When definitions finish, move directly to the next pane to choose the scan type and begin scanning immediately. You now pick how deep to look. Quick Scan checks common locations fast, while Full Scan examines every file and can take hours. Choose based on risk. If you suspect a specific folder, choose Custom and point to that path. This saves time and targets likely problem areas. For stubborn rootkits or severe infection, select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan, which reboots and scans before Windows loads. Once selected, click Scan Now and monitor progress, making sure updates remain. You finish by reviewing results in the scan history. Windows Security shows threats found and recommended actions, so quarantine or remove anything suspicious. If an item looks safe, verify its origin before allowing it. False positives happen. Once done, run a quick follow-up scan to confirm cleanup and restart if prompted to complete remediation. If the scan fails or won't start, make sure definitions are updated, try the offline scan, and reboot. If problems persist, temporarily disable third-party antivirus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.